Eden is behind them. The ground is harder now. Life is no longer given. It must be fought for. And in this new world, humanity begins again. 2 sons are born, Cain and Abel. One works the ground, the other tends the flock. 2 lives, 2 paths. But soon, one moment will divide them forever. Both bring an offering. Cain brings the fruit of the ground. Abel brings the firstborn of his flock. Both give. Both approach God. But something happens that changes everything. God accepts Abel's offering, but Cain's, he does not. Why? Later, in Hebrews 11:4, we are told, by faith, Abel offered a better sacrifice. This was not about effort. It was about something deeper. Cain's reaction reveals everything. The Hebrew word used is chera. It means to burn with anger, not just frustration, but something rising from within, something dangerous. And then, something unexpected happens. God speaks to Cain, not in judgment, but in warning. Sin is crouching at your door, waiting, watching, desiring to control you, but you must rule over it. Archaeology shows us something consistent. In ancient cultures, altars were central, places of offering, places of connection. But here, in the earliest moment recorded, we see something deeper. Not ritual, but relationship. Not tradition, but choice. Some believe God rejected Cain's offering because it was not a blood sacrifice. Others believe it was the heart behind it. The Bible makes one thing clear. Abel gave by faith. Cain did not. This was never just about the offering. It was about the heart behind it. Have you ever done something and felt unseen? Unaccepted? Like your effort didn't matter? Cain felt that. And in that moment, he had a choice to change or to let something darker take over. This is where everything shifts. Not in the offering, but in the response. There's someone who needs to hear this. You'll know who. If this spoke to you, type I understand below. In the next episode, one brother will rise, the other will fall, and the first blood will be shed. What happens next will echo through all of history.